My name is Les Harper. I'm the Sustainability Manager for Brigham Young University, Hawaii, and the SWATT Coordinator. Good. SWAT stands for the Sustainable World Action Technology Team. It's a group of students that work on Brigham Young University campus. They are involved in sustainability projects. It was originally started about 6 years ago for the purpose of reducing energy consumption and resource consumption on campus. Our big project right now is the Sustainability Garden, which is officially known as the Temple View Learning Garden. One of our challenges is just getting the word out so that people know what we're doing and they're willing to participate. We're pretty low key. You come in, we'll give you a pair of gloves and instructions on what to do, and half an hour later, whatever, you'll feel good about what you've done. Getting dirty in the earth is a fundamental privilege that man had right back to the Garden of Eden. So it's pretty cool to be able to do that and to literally be in the shadow of the temple as we do it. That's just added absolute bonus. Our intent and our focus is to teach students to grow their own gardens when they're gone off this island, so that they can take care of themselves, take care of their families and their communities. It's all about feeding and learning. Feed for today, teach for tomorrow.